Did you know that you can use Genspark to instantly create AI podcasts in seconds? Or maybe you didn't realize that you can actually have Genspark make phone calls on your behalf. For example, you want to know if something's in stock at a store, Genspark can call them up and figure it out so you don't have to waste your time doing it. And those two things are absolutely nothing because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you 7 different AI automations you could do with Genspark that are going to blow your mind. Now, use case number 1 is going to be using this brand new AI Pods feature that they have right here. With this, you could generate podcasts from anything. You could give it a topic, you could give it a YouTube video, you could give it a link, you could give it a file, and you can even customize it into any style, professional, fun, or more, and you can use realistic voices either for a solo podcast, duo, or multi-person conversation. So if you want to learn about something, you could turn that into a podcast so then you can listen to it on your walk or in a car or just create content that you wish existed. For example, I want to learn more about what this guy learned after quitting caffeine for 30 days because I just cannot put down this coffee, but I don't want to watch this 10-minute video and I want to watch this while I'm in the car or something like that. So I'm going to come over here and say, please create a podcast based on this video. Now, what this is going to go ahead and do, this is going to fire this up. This is going to start thinking. Boom. This is going to go ahead and create a podcast based on this. Now, as we can see here, this has the AI agents going through and actually working on this. But while this is doing this, I'm going to come over here and we're going to see what AI Docs does. So if we come back over to Genspark right here, you're also going to see AI Docs, and you can use this to do a bunch of different things, to make reports, to make forms. You could use it for legal and finance things. You could use it for education and training. But what I'm going to use it for is for a resume. So I'm going to say, please create a resume with my information. And then I'm going to paste in all of my relevant information right here. And then this goes through and literally creates me a resume almost instantly. I remember the days of me and my dad sitting there trying to make a resume when I was getting my first job, and it literally was us screaming back and forth that this wasn't right or that wasn't right. And I want you to change this. And you don't know what you're talking about because you've never had a job. And now AI can literally do it in seconds. And as we can see right here, this literally just went through and created me a resume that, like I said, me and my dad would have sat there going crazy with each other. And guess what? You could even get this to change things based on whatever you want it to. Let's say that I was going to be applying to a job at Google and a job at OpenAI and a job at Genspark. I could just say, hey, I'm applying for a job at Genspark. Please craft it for that. And I'm also doing one for Google, and I'm also doing one for OpenAI. This will go ahead and actually create 3 different versions that are customized for each of those. So here's what this podcast looks like now. We could see that it used ChatGPT to make this cover image, and now we have a 5-minute and 30-second podcast right here that I can listen to when I go for a walk or when I drive. Before I get into use case number 3, I wanted to remind you that McKinsey just came out with a report that says that they expect that AI is going to inject more than $13 trillion into the global economy by 2030. But on the flip side of that, they also think that AI is going to make more than 375 million people lose their job or have to completely change their career. So my question to you is, are you positioning yourself to win from AI, or is this going to be another thing that you sit on the sidelines with and don't take advantage and just watch other people build the future? Now, if you are one of those people that do want to future-proof yourself, I have an amazing event for you. This weekend, there's a 2-day AI mastermind that's happening on Saturday and Sunday with 2 days from expert mentors and more than 16 hours of learning, more than 10 different AI tools, so you can go from an AI rookie to a pro. Now, here's the exciting part. This training typically costs $895, but I've partnered with Outskill, the world's biggest AI education platform, to give away 1,000 free seats to my loyal viewers for the next 72 hours. This AI mastermind has been attended by more than 4 million people across the globe in the last 12 months who have gone from knowing nothing about AI to using AI to build with it, get salary hikes, being promoted, and some of them have even launched their own AI startups that have completely changed their life. Here's some of the things that you're going to learn. You'll learn the 10 most powerful AI tools like Make.com, Agentic Hub, and Claude. You're going to learn how to use AI in Excel and create professional presentations effortlessly. You're going to learn how to build AI agents to automate your work and build interactive apps and websites with AI, even if you don't know how to code. And it doesn't matter what your background is. You could have a background in HR, marketing, sales, ops, or you could be running your own business or freelancing. It doesn't matter. This training is going to be for you. So make sure your calendar is cleared for this weekend, because from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. on both days, Saturday and Sunday, the training is going to be happening. And here's what some of the past attendees have to say.
You have done an amazing job. You should be proud. You totally over delivered.
Hey, this was mind blowing.
Amazing. Really great. Like just hopefully life changing.
So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and grab your free seat today. In fact, I'm not only personally going to be attending this, I'm also having everybody on my team do this because this is a great thing to take advantage of considering it's free. And just for signing up and attending, you're gonna get almost $5,000 in bonuses. The first bonus you're gonna get is a prompt Bible with more than 3,000 prompts when you attend day 1. On top of that, you're gonna get a roadmap to make money with AI when you attend day 2, and you're also going to get a personalized AI toolkit builder if you attend both days. Also, make sure you join their WhatsApp community so you can stay up to date on exactly when the training is gonna start. I'll see you there. Use case number 3 is going to be using AI slides. If we click over here, we can literally tell this a topic and it will go through and create professional slides for us. For example, I'm in Bozeman, Montana right now, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say, please create a presentation about Bozeman, Montana from 1900 to today. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to go ahead, do all the research that it needs to do. It is then going to come through and create a presentation for me. We can have this include photos, we could export this as a PDF, and this is pretty insane because it literally goes through and does everything. And just a few videos ago, I tried ChatGPT agent mode and it took it like 30 or 40 minutes in order to do this same exact task. But as we could see, Genspark gets to this immediately and in seconds already starts creating everything after doing a bunch of different research around Bozeman, Montana. And as we can see here, it literally already has slide number 1 done. And if I want to edit anything, I just request it to edit it. But for right now, I'm going to let this go through and actually finish all these slides. Now, this is pretty crazy. We could go through here and we could see that this created the first slide, this created an overview. And if we wanted to do anything, we could fact check the content right here. We could edit it with AI right here, or we could advance edit it right here. And again, we could view and export it up here, but we could go through this and see the only issue that I have with this after just a minute of this creating this is some of these photos didn't actually get pulled in. It does Montana State University, which is this is all accurate information, and that's really the only issue that I have. We can see that this photo did get pulled in, but a lot of them didn't. So what I need to do is literally just come through, click on AI edit, then click on this and tell it to populate it with the photo that's supposed to be there. Use case number 4 is going to be using AI sheets right here. Very similar to AI slides, this can go through and this can create spreadsheets. For example, it can auto find things and then fill in spreadsheets. You could transform existing data that you have into powerful insights and visuals, or you could work with your data freely. You can auto search, you can analyze, and you can visualize things all from within here. So what I'm going to ask this to do is I'm going to say, please put together a list of restaurants in Bozeman, Montana. Now, the reason that I'm asking this to do this is because I want to know about all the restaurants here. In addition to that, I'm going to show off later on how I can actually get these to call one of the restaurants later. Now, you could use this for so many different things. You could use this for finding leads. You could use this for filling in information for data that you have. Let's say that you have the list of a bunch of companies, but you need their contact information, or you have a bunch of people's names, but you need their email address. You can have this go through and do it. And this is one of the things that makes Genspark so powerful, is that you're combining an LLM or chat interface right here with the ability to actually take action across a bunch of different interfaces like sheets. So as we can see here, this is literally going through, this is reading multiple different websites right here, and then it's going to fill out this sheet. And again, we could come over here and we could view this and we can export this however we want to once this is actually done. Okay, so this has gone through, this is actually done now, and as we can see, it's given us a bunch of different restaurant names. It's added more than 35 different restaurants. So I'm gonna come over here, this first one right here, Blackbird Kitchen, we could see this new call for me feature right here. So I'm going to click on this, and then this is going to bring up the ability for Genspark to actually call this restaurant to see if they could squeeze me in tonight. And from here, we could see that we could actually choose a voice that our assistant's going to have. So I'm going to tell it to call me Rob, and I'm going to choose Sophia right here. Now we're going to go next, and we could see this right here, which says start test call. And then this is actually going to call me, but we're going to skip through all that and just get it to call the restaurant. Okay, now we could literally go through and watch this actually do this. So we could see the call information right here. This is who it's actually going to be calling. We could see that I put instructions here to call if they have a reservation for 3 for tonight. As we could see, this went through and it thought, and now it's going through and calling them, and then it's going to give me a report, which is insane. As we can see right here, we get the results of the phone call, we get a summary, and then also we could listen to this if we wanted to. Now, the next use case I wanted to show off here is going to be deep research. If we click on deep research right here, we could see that we can then ask this anything and it will go off and do deep research on that topic. For example, I'm going to say, please research the effects of having 3 or more cups of coffee a day throughout your entire life or for a really long period of time. Now, we're going to give this to Genspark right here. What this is going to do is this is going to think about this. It's going to create an initial plan, and then this is going to go off and do all of the research that it needs to do and basically give us a research report. Now, while this is doing this, I did want to show off for you the last and most important thing that I think Genspark has to offer. If we scroll down here, we're going to see this For You right here. Essentially what this is a bunch of different AI generated podcasts, photos, videos, and things they think you might be interested in. And I think that this gets really interesting. Imagine having an AI generated social media where it just generated things that were relevant to whatever you're doing. For example, we could see right here is Yellowstone's supervolcano about to erupt. Again, I'm in Montana right now. I didn't tell it this. It knew that, and then it went ahead and actually created this. And I'm going to go off and I am going to watch this because now I'm really interested in that. And I might be interested in some of these other things because they're all related to things that are trending in the news or things that are trending based on what I've told Genspark. So here's what we've got now. This went through, this did a very comprehensive research report, and it even cites all of its different sources at a bunch of different points of this. And as we could see, we could scroll down here, and from here, we could save this to Notion. This created a Spark page for this. And now if I wanted to, I could create content based off of this. I could create a video off of this. I could create a podcast off of this. And this is all incredibly useful that this just went through and looked and read through all these different studies and then summarized all of it for me.
If you like this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through 6 different ChatGPT settings that I guarantee you haven't seen before. I'll see you over there.